In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's advanced features in 2025, a powerful tool that can transform the way your team manages projects. Whether it's streamlining your workflow, enhancing collaboration, or ensuring tasks are completed efficiently, mastering Asana's advanced features is key to unlocking its full potential. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Asana website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, simply click Get Started or try for free to set up your account. Now that you're inside, let's explore how these features can elevate your project management skills. A great place to start is with custom fields, an essential tool that allows you to tailor tasks with additional data like priority, status, or other key metrics that are unique to your projects. To make the most of custom fields, go to your project and click on Customize in the top right corner. From there, select Add Field. You'll have the option to choose a field type, whether that's a drop-down, text, or number. Assigning values to each task enables you to track important information with precision and clarity, giving everyone on the team a clear view of project progress. Next on our list is task dependencies, which help you manage tasks efficiently by showing how they're connected. It's crucial for avoiding delays and ensuring tasks are completed in the correct order. To set this up, open the Task Details view and click on Add Dependency. Select the task that must be completed before your current task. You'll notice an arrow linking the two tasks, providing a visual representation in the timeline view, which is incredibly handy for project planning. Speaking of project planning, milestones are another valuable feature. These allow you to track and celebrate significant achievements or points within your project. To add a milestone, simply click on the plus button in your project to create a new task and label it as a milestone. Utilize the timeline view to see these milestones within the broader scope of your project plan, making it easier to stay on target and motivated. Automation is a huge time saver in Asana, with its rules that automate tasks and actions within your projects. To set up automation, go back to Customize and click on Add Rule. You can choose from preset rules or create your own. For example, you might want a task to automatically move to a different section or update another task when it's marked complete. This level of automation keeps your projects flowing smoothly without requiring constant manual adjustments. Finally, let's talk about advanced search and reporting, a feature that supercharges your ability to find and analyze tasks based on various criteria. To use it, click the search bar at the top of your screen and select Advanced Search. Filter by due dates, assignees, project tags, or other custom fields. Once you've tailored your search to your needs, save it as a report for easy access next time around. That's a wrap on navigating Asana's advanced features. By incorporating these tools, you'll transform the way your team works, ensuring projects are managed more effectively and efficiently than ever before. Happy organizing!